Hey everyone, Chris with Danfoss. I want to take a look at a feature today that may be new to some of you called our System Download Package, or MLHX file. The M in LHX stands for Multiple LHX, and this feature is used to download several files to a system rather than an individual LHX file. You can find the System Download Package option through the Design menu. You'll come to a prompt that allows you to build your MLHX file. Now these files can get relatively complex depending on the number of ECUs in your system, so I'm going to show you a simple example with one LHX file. The first thing to do is locate the file that I want to include in my project. After I select my file, I can choose the specific matching parameters that the service tool will look for to ensure that we've selected the correct ECU. I can also save the config and load it later if I wanted to make a new MLHX file after making adjustments to the system. Additionally, I can choose multiple groups of files, including LHX or read-only parameter files. This builds intelligence into the file, so it'll know whether or not it should be downloaded to that system. This should greatly simplify the process of updating systems. For more information, check out some of our other videos.